Goddamn. Another day. Another Junkyard LS going in. Started, but it's got no oil pressure, so we're gonna rev it. Just going shopping for a new LS. I was gonna pull the engine down out of the Hilux, the LQ4 that it came with, or that I just put in for the other event, and it needs a crank and stuff, and I'm just waiting on to get parts for that. But in the meantime, we got an event in about a week's time, so I'm gonna put a 5.3 in it. So Zombie Garage got a 5.3 sitting back here that I'm gonna buy off them, and we're gonna put an oil pump and slide a cam in it, leave the heads how they are on it, put my sump on it. But with the revamp, we're doing some upgrades as well. I've been using the standard ECU. It doesn't have any safeties or anything to really protect the engine or really tell you what's going on. So we've hit up Holley and we've got some upgrades in this box, so let's unbox them. Hey guys. So we got a brand new harness. It comes with everything. I'm pretty sure it's just a negative and positive power hookup. And this came with the EV1 style, so that's why I got the other injector harness. And the ECU's in here, but if you have a look at my old harness, so I standalone this one myself, and as you can see, it's been through some heat, so it's only a matter of time before this thing fails. So getting a new harness is gonna definitely help us out and make us a lot more reliable. Be able to reroute some wires, get them away from heat sleeve some stuff up. Let's get this ECU out and see what it looks like. Alright, so we did end up going on with the Holley HP ECU. So this is capable of running 16 injectors on methanol, just in case we ever want to do that, future-proof it. But yeah, this is very sturdy. This is actually, it's got a metal case on the outside, so it's not plastic, so that's pretty cool. It's got mounting tabs. So another upgrade is we've got the Holley EFI dash as well to go along with the ECU. So I'm just up to getting the ECU mounted, and then I'm going to run the main powers. So the main power's got to be to the actual battery post. It can't be to like distribution block. It's got to go straight to the battery. So we're going to shorten up the harness, get it to length, mount the ECU up on the little firewall there, and yeah, get this thing wired in. Dude, look at this shit. Ignition. This is baller. This one's got to be the one. The sludge build up. Damn, son.
It's the one.
It's got to be. Goddamn, Uncle Sam.
Do you want to have a jack?
Hot dog?
Yeah.
Fucking oath I do. Get out of town. How the hell does that happen? Oh. Old Tool Pro. That's it. I need a tool sponsorship. Need that SP tool sponsorship. I need Daddy KB back. Kieran would be cooking pasta right now.
Yeah. Like, another event, you're fucking joking.
Another event, another engine. So you always wonder what would it be like if Kieran was here? Like what would we be doing the same things? Would we be doing different things? How would the vibe be?
Yeah.
What would Kieran be doing if he didn't have engines to like do? If he blew up, we wouldn't know because we've never experienced it, you know?
Yeah, I honestly don't know what to do. I might have a big booger drip out of my nose.
That's hot. Nearly dribbled then. Tism's coming back.
Nearly got caught in 4K.
Quick geeking, lock in.
I got home and I was spinning, and I fucking ended up throwing up like 1:30. I'm probably not.
1:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
You just start throwing up. That's on
I
camera.
was in bed.
That's on camera.
It was whatever those juice boxes were. Nope. I was trash. It wasn't the Happy Dads. The Happy Dads were fine. It was the are added in. No, we'll find it.
Those juice boxes will get ya.
That fucking first gear.
So we do that so that the hub doesn't spin. So I'll take this harmonic balancer off, and then I'll put my blower one on, and then we just put dowels in there so it doesn't spin on the hub. No. Alright, so next we got these drill bits, long drill bits. So I'm going to slide these in the lifter bore to hold the lifters up. I'll show you guys. So I'm going to slide them literally beside in those two holes there, and that will hold all the lifters up while I slide out the cam, so then I don't have to pull the heads off to do the cam. These ones are the right size. Just pop it in there, pop that one in there. Oh, rest in peace, cam bearing.
Is it actually?
No. Or maybe I'll go check. It's got the old trusty fold cam going back in for round 2, but I'll just start filing. She hasn't had enough yet. Please, not again. Please don't put me in that engine. I've had enough. Please, no. I don't want to go in. Please. Ooh, yummy. Oh, imagine if I left those dowels I put in. I forgot about them. I was about to put the cam plate in. Every step you take, every move you make. What did you say about my mum? Hit stop. Alright, so we got the old springs off the old head and the shims. So now we're gonna do them on the 5.3 we've got over here. So how we're doing is we're gonna pump. I've got an air compressor fitting, and I'm gonna pump air to hold the valve up, and then use that tool to compress the spring down so I can do it while the head's on. We're ready. Plug this Johnny in. That fills the cylinder with air, so then the valves, they can't come down because they've got all the pressure pushing up. Collets. Then you just loosen everything off and then put your dual valve springs on. Just like that. It's easy as that. Hey mate, she's going in! Yeah! Yeah! So I've put a Jacko's bass tune for the first time. I've set up pretty much the injectors, the sort of map sensor, the fuel I'm running to get it to start. So let's see if it starts. See how I did. Shit, here we are. So that fuel pressure works. We're big tune guys here, so we've added 10% fuel and then it started, but it's got no oil pressure, so We're gonna rev it. See if it gets oil pressure. Stay tuned. Alright, I think we're gonna need to prime the oil pump. Now it's time to pressure test this thing like a kid got a new toy on Christmas. Let's go.
$720s down the bottom. Good for flat spots.
So we made it to Road America, so this is our next event. So I put the stock 5.3 with the Holley, got it tuned. I'll add some clips from that. Brad tuned it a couple days ago. Had a few little dramas with the electrical, didn't have a ground to the head, so we done that. So we're here to do some little exhibition. So it's a Wisconsin State Fair. It's an event ran by T-Pain and Her. So it's a drift event, but me and Hinchy been invited to, Hinchy's in front there, to do some little exhibition run. So our plan is we get 15 minutes of track time. So we're gonna quickly do a set, then drive back, and the Zombie Garage have come down. They're gonna be our pit crew to change our tires, and then we're gonna go out. So hopefully we'll do about 2 sets in 15 minutes, put on a little exhibition and show the people what we're about.
Here, what do we need? I think Jack wants to add the air fuel gauge to his dash.
And air temp. I want to know what my unicorn temp is too. Need a nerd. Need nerd.